Okay, I've been putting it off, but time to get gas. I told you that my odometer resets itself sometimes on a cold start. It's like the engine drains the battery. But it seems to only happen when I finally say, oh, it's not going to happen anymore, and I reset the clock back to normal, and then it happens again. So I'm going to stop resetting the clock. Not even a stop. So today, let's see here, I have my stabilization set to boost, which is the highest mode. It's going to clip a lot of the area of the video, like 10 or 20%, something like that. Also, I have the EV compensation turned up by 0.5, even though it is a bright sunny day. What I found out on my last ride is that I set the EV compensation backwards. I went down when I should have gone up. It was a cloudy day. Much cloudier than this. This is actually a very pretty day. It's cold. It's a little cooler actually, but it's pretty. That makes up for a lot of sins. So I'm doing a shortened trip today just to get data for the GoPro. We're at a good section right now, all those trees there. Of course there's no leaves, but there are a lot of branches. Another thing that I noticed when I was riding around is that, and it's not a bad thing if you're a motorcyclist, is I move my head a lot. Is that a bad thing for motorcycling? But it's a bad thing for videography, because it just makes you dizzy if you're a viewer. Of course, I know I have a dirty windshield too, so. But I think on my next video, I will try to get the beat camera involved. That's what I really need to do. I'm glad I turned up the EV compensation because we have a cloud cover now. So now it makes sense. I knew it was coming. As I said, a shortened trip. That's always so interesting to me. I think the gates are closed all the time though. Yeah, I don't really know. It's some kind of a sports complex, I know that. But I don't know why the gates are closed. Even the ones by the schools aren't closed all the time. This is a gate on the other side of the park that's always closed and pisses me off all the time. Oh, another thing is my last video, I tried to do it in 4K, tried to upload in 4K. I don't know if it's just because this channel, you know, has a small following, like what, 7 subscribers, something like that. They converted it to 1080p. So that's what I'm at now. I'm not going to fight that. 1080p is fine. Actually, the uploading is much faster. And if I could get good video, which is my next, you know, task, getting good video for my regular channels, then I'll be alright. We're just about home again. This is a very short loop because I had to get gas. I screwed up. Okay, I think we have enough, so see y'all later. Okay, if you hung around, I'm sure nobody has, I will let you know a secret. I was kind of hoping from my last video that this channel would have grown. No such luck, but a man can dream.